This secret has been hidden for decades. An ancient mechanism challenged all known history. Imagine discovering a device centuries ahead of its time, a machine that predicted eclipses and planetary movements. This is the incredible story of the Antikythera Mechanism, found in 1901 by sponge divers near the Greek island of Antikythera. It lay submerged within a Roman shipwreck for nearly 2 millennia. Archaeologists soon realized its extraordinary complexity and purpose. Dating from 150–100 BC, it's often called the first analog computer. Its bronze gears represent unparalleled ancient mechanical innovation. The device was initially a corroded mass, hard to decipher. Early examinations revealed intricate gear trains and dials. Scientists like Derek de Solla Price began careful, detailed study. Advanced imaging techniques unlocked its hidden internal workings. X-rays and CT scans unveiled its astonishing 30-plus gears. It even featured a sophisticated differential gear system. This was a design thought impossible before the 16th century. The mechanism accurately tracked the sun, moon, and planets. It displayed lunar and solar eclipses with remarkable precision. One dial followed the Metonic cycle, a 19-year calendar. Another predicted the Saros cycle for eclipse forecasts. It also tracked the Olympic Games, showing its cultural relevance. This device served as a practical, portable astronomical calculator. Its existence rewrites our understanding of ancient engineering skill. It suggests a level of Greek scientific sophistication previously unknown. Many believed such complexity only emerged during the Renaissance. The Antikythera Mechanism proves brilliant minds existed long before. Its loss for centuries meant humanity had to reinvent many concepts. This machine represents a pinnacle of forgotten ancient innovation. Modern reconstructions have brought its genius to life. We can now marvel at its incredible, precise functionality. Its detailed craftsmanship is truly a testament to its creators. The mechanism shows a deep understanding of astronomical cycles. It also demonstrates mastery of gear cutting and assembly. This device wasn't just practical, it was a work of art. Ongoing research continues to reveal new, fascinating insights. Each discovery deepens our appreciation for its ancient inventors. The Antikythera Mechanism is more than an artifact, it's a lesson. It teaches us about the ingenuity of ancient civilizations. This ancient marvel inspires modern engineers and scientists alike. Its legacy reminds us to question our assumptions about history. It underscores the cyclical nature of innovation and discovery. The mechanism is a powerful symbol of human intellectual curiosity. It bridges the past and present, challenging our perceptions. This ancient computer truly changed our view of mechanical history. Its story remains one of the greatest archaeological wonders. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories.